Hey, it's Eric with Sprucehill Custom Homes and Renovations. It is Wednesday, October 18th, and this is our project update for our Lynn Valley home build. Our interior finishing trade partner has been madly working to get all of the base and crown molding in everywhere. We've decided to use it extensively on this project, so it's really starting to come together. I'm standing in what will be the primary bedroom in the future, and I'm not sure if the shot will show you all of the moldings above me or not, but hopefully it does. I'll spin the camera around right now and take you through some of the spaces. So this is what a door looks like. We've got an architrave detail up here, which looks super sharp and just adds a little bit more detail for this fairly craftsman house. And then the crown molding is fairly chunky as well. I think it looks awesome. Coming into the stairwell, I thought it might be cool to see what this looks like and how that had to be done. So that's what it looks like. Ooh, there we go, and now you can see the crown. And so in order to achieve that, I had to frame a temporary floor, and that takes us downstairs. Pretty cool. Making amazing progress. Painters start tomorrow. All the pot lights go in tomorrow, so our update next week should be pretty amazing. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.